Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shocking. Secret documents leaked huge upcoming price pump day. Shiba Inu news today. Researchers reported a leaked Shiba Inu AWS account credential on a public code repository. Considered serious by security pros because for the 2 days the credentials were exposed, a hacker could have abused them. PinkSafe's founder Anand Prakash wrote in a blog post that the reason for the leaked credentials was a Shiba Inu developer committing AWS infrastructure keys on a public GitHub repository. In this video, we will talk about shocking. Secret documents leaked huge upcoming price pump day. Shiba Inu news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. News that Shiba Inu had one of its AWS credentials on a public GitHub repository is troubling for Shiba Inu and any person or company that owns the tokens, said Carl Steinkamp, director at Coalfire. Steinkamp said the development of Shiba Inu or any other crypto-related project doesn't differ from any other non-crypto software product in that each requires a structured process for development and authorized personnel to push the code into development/test stages and production. While it's unknown if the credentials were testing credentials or meant to be production credentials, this represents a break in the internal process and likely violated Shiba's software development lifecycle practices. Steinkamp said, having AWS credentials in the open for 2 days presents a dangerous window of availability for any malicious attacker to perform any host of malicious activities, which may have included a full compromise of the environment, theft of tokens, and escalation of permissions into other AWS environments. Casey Bison, head of product and developer enablement at Blue Bracket, said every company with software handles sensitive API keys and passwords, and too many of them are in code repositories. Bison said too often a secret in repo is a secret shared, whether it's because the repository was accidentally made public because of insider threats or because of code theft. Those secret keys and passwords connect to a company's most important assets, including cloud resources, customer data, and financial transactions. Bison said, "We recommend every company implement automated scanning in their CI/CD process to identify secrets and other risks in code and give developers an opportunity to correct them before they become a serious risk." Now, let's see what Shiba Inu is doing on the 26th of September. After spending most of the weekend in the red, Bitcoin and other crypto tokens extended their losses on Monday. Crypto assets continue to remain under pressure over the global macroeconomic environment. Barring the USD Coin, XRP, and Polkadot, all top crypto tokens were trading in the red on Monday. Solana and Shiba Inu plunged 3% each. Cardano, Polkadot, Polygon, and Avalanche shed 2% each. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading marginally lower at $926.12 billion, dropping about 1% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume jumped almost 3%. Close to $54.33 billion. The Ethereum merge dramatically elevated the importance of validators in the blockchain's ecosystem. One of the biggest ones, Stakefish, was beset with chaos. Holders of preferred equity and failed cryptocurrency lender Celsius Network want to make sure they're at the table in talks of clawing back their investments and first dibs on proceeds from the sale of certain assets. ETH, after the merger, has sustained its support zone of $1,000 and $1,220. Though it is still trading inside a range-bound area, a breakout or a weekly close above $1,480 can lead to $1,620 levels. The Shib token is the offspring of the Ethereum network. Shib is more or less the opposite of Bitcoin in terms of availability. While BTC intends to make it scarce on the crypto market, the Shib token flows in abundance. This is evident in its total supply of 1 quadrillion, even though its community plans to drop this figure. Also, its ecosystem is a good ground for different projects. Some of these projects are the creation of a decentralized exchange known as SHIBASWAP and storing NFT artwork. The Shib team recently launched its game, referred to as Shiba Eternity. However, more updates on the game from the developers are still pending. The developers have revealed that they'll release more updates on the newly launched Shiba Eternity. An event will accompany the announcement according to the community, but the awaited update from the developers is already becoming a discussion subject on Twitter. This is due to the already slated Twitter Spaces. The community members will share their thoughts on the Shiba Eternity project there. More updates will come from the founder and lead developer of the Shib token, Satoshi Kozama and William Volk. They intend to release these updates on the Shib official Twitter page. A Layer 2 blockchain network from the Shib developers is currently in the pipeline. This blockchain is known as SHIBARMY, and it's intended to reduce the workload of building blockchain ecosystem applications. The primary beneficiaries of this new development are developers and users. The idea of the SHIBARMY Layer 2 network is similar to that of the Ethereum blockchain network. The reason is that both networks support developers of decentralized applications. The notion behind the project is to cut down transaction costs for gaming. This is possible because the project will serve as the premium Layer 2 for the community and the Shib token. Considering the current bearish state of the crypto market, it's no surprise that the Shib token is dropping in value. This is evident from the market watch in the last 4 weeks. The token is now down to its value dating from 3 months back. There's no indication pointing to the possibility of a rise anytime soon. The same can be said about the general crypto market. But the update of the community's upcoming project from Satoshi Kozama seems to raise the hopes of many fans of the Shib token. As a result, several investors are watching the Shib token's price. The digital token currently trades on a bullish trend. Shiba Inu's price could present profitable opportunities for those willing to engage in the coming days. Throughout the week, Shiba Inu's price has been trading south, but in a turbulent fashion. The erratic pullbacks are the first gesture that the downtrend is weakening. Additionally, the overall downtrend has been minuscule in terms of volume compared to the previous uptrend move. Traders should expect a congestive battle to ensue near the zone. If the bulls can hurdle the 8-day EMA, then an entry could be placed targeting the September swing high at $0.00001394. Such a move would result in a 30% increase from the current Shiba Inu price. Invalidation of the bullish counter-trend idea is dependent on $0.00000880 remaining as support. A breach of this level could give power to the bears. The next target zone would be the June 18 swing lows at $0.00000738, resulting in a 30% decline from the current Shib price. Italian fashion brand John Richmond has shared a video clip to promote its recent collaboration with meme token Shiba Inu. A very exclusive event showcasing the results of the tie-up is expected to occur in Milano, the capital of the Lombardy region in northern Italy. The futuristic video clip shows mannequins dressed in John Richmond clothes floating in front of a Shiba Inu logo and a snake in the middle of a desert. A giant guitar with speakers can be seen in the background. Not mincing words, John Richmond says that the partnership has rocked all expectations at Milan Fashion Week. Milan Fashion Week SS23 kicked off in earnest on September 20th, with fashion aficionados getting an opportunity to glimpse the biggest stars in the industry. The big names participating in the fashion bonanza include Gucci, Alberto Ferretti, Prada, Bottega Veneta, and others. As reported by You Today, the Shiba Inu team announced its cutting-edge partnership with John Richmond in March. The brand said it would present a fashion collection as non-fungible tokens. It confirmed that the collection would be showcased in Milan. The event will involve the physical versions of its collection called Legends Live Forever. John Richmond, which was founded by a British fashion designer of the same name in the 1980s, has collaborated with such stars as Kate Moss and David Bowie. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.